thank you to Mercedes-Benz management for this opportunity, for this event, where there are no competitors, no rivals, just friends and partners. We are KGC Logistics, and we are your 3PL solutions partner. 3PL is nothing but outsourcing your logistic services to a third party, to another party. So before I start this presentation, I'll just take you through the progress of 3PL or third party logistics in India. In India, the first probably outsourcing of services happened with transportation. And many, many years ago, people thought, hey, we don't want to do this ourselves. So that was the first process outsourcing that happened in India through the transportation. The transportation came godowns, the dark and dingy places that we all recall. It moved on to godowns became warehouses, warehouses became distribution centers, consolidation centers, sales centers, integration of services started. I kind of got into this scene about 17, 18 years back when there was this warehousing and distribution boom and integration had just started. So warehouses became, it was warehousing, storage and shipping, clearing and forwarding, packing and transport. So service providers started integrating. We started buying assets. We told our partners, we told our customers, hey, why don't we deploy our machines? Why don't we deploy our land, our buildings to you? We are now moving on to planning, procurement, kitting, sub-assemblies. It's a very, very exciting space to be in right now. So integration part, we at KGC, we have made integration our mission, the core of all our activities, with these 4 tenets: innovation, value, accountability, and process driven. Just a byword, I have not included costs anywhere. Normally I don't include costs in my presentation because there's a simple reason that I believe costs or cost reduction is a byproduct of innovation, integration, and value addition. The cost reduction has to happen. If it does not, well, I'm doing something really wrong. So, what do we do exactly? I spoke about integration, I spoke about 3PL, I spoke about services. To start with, we do factory logistics. We are right in the middle of the action. We are inside the factories, and it's a multi-layered, it's a big activity. It covers a lot of services. We do warehousing, warehouse management. We've got warehouses. We manage your warehouses, whether they are internal or external. We do transportation, goods and carts. We have got our own vehicles for that. And we do air and sea. We have partners for that. Packing. We do the planning, we do the design, we do the procurement and execution. And we can combine these with your factory logistics. We can combine these with your warehousing. We can do packing and transportation in a whole lot of combinations. Finished goods management. Your finished goods, your cars, yard management is what we do. And rentals. We've got a lot of pallets, we've got a lot of PV boxes. We get them for you. Again, we can combine this. We can store them for you, we can move them for you, we can pack them for you. So this is what we basically do. In Mercedes-Benz, we're doing factory logistics, we are doing transportation, we are doing FG yard management here for the last 8 years. And who do we partner right now? We partner Mercedes-Benz, yes. We partner Tata Motors, we've got both the group of companies on board, we've got Excite Batteries and Fiat Chrysler. 4 out of 5 automotive. Our journey in MBI started in 2008, some about 8 years back. We started with the cab movement, as Atre sir said. The cab movement because the paint shop was in Tata Motors, the paint shop here had not come up yet. We started cab movement between here to Tata Motors. We took the BIWs, we brought back the painted cabs. We integrated some more services with it. We were handling the cabs here in Chakan. We were prepping the painted cabs for dropping them on the lines. In 2011, this cab movement went on for 4 years. In 2012, when the paint shop came up. 2011, vendor inbound material and container destuffing with our own equipment here. Inbound transportation from module partners, workbench partners. 2012, outbound spare parts, movement on a time guaranteed basis. Internal movement and management of body shells. This is what we took over from the movement between MB to Tata Motors, and we did it right inside the plant. here in Mercedes-Benz. 2015, inbound material management, staging and shifting between quadrants, and yard management. As the cars, we're managing all the cars here in the company. And 2016, we are doing all of this, plus we have started logistics support, installations of assembly lines in here, the new assembly lines for the new models. So we go to best practices, which is probably the core of our my presentation here. So you've got, I've just kind of settled down number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 best practices that I about. Do not reinvent the wheel is what we say. Hey, we're working with Mercedes-Benz and you guys practically invented the automobile. So, and you have been like perfecting it for the last 130 plus years. So we take your processes, we integrate them in our SOPs. And the next best practice, we add subtle innovations and integrations to it. It's a small example. We are in the quadrant storage here, in the quadrant storage down here. We have created a small unpacking area for the production guys. We keep all the daily dropping kits out here for the production guys to come and pick it up on a daily basis. It makes it very easy for them. It makes it easy for us because our storage is not disturbed all the time. The subtle innovations and integrations, zero process deviations. We are an ISO 9001-2008 company, and we are very, very, very strict on processes. We do not allow process deviations. Once an SOP is set, we do not allow any deviation in that, no cutting corners. And that is what I think keeps us in companies like Mercedes-Benz. We do not do deviations. All our audits, all our checks are geared towards checking and controlling these deviations here. Automation and mistake proofing, human errors, misouts, perhaps our biggest enemy, something that, it's a differentiator in a good service provider and an average service provider. So, we ensure the maximum automation in all our operations. Well, in Mercedes-Benz, we have been given all the automation tools here that are required. We have nil in terms of, we are zero in terms of manual entries, but we are not so lucky with other customers where we have to introduce scanners, we have to introduce counters, labelers. A small mistake, one of my handling guys writing Germany instead of Brazil, package goes to Germany. I cannot afford that. That is why we need automation and mistake proofing. We have taken it as a practice. We do it all the time. Continuous improvements for real. I have added for real because continuous improvements continue to be, really spoken about. But we take this very seriously in here. I've got a few slides ahead, which I have listed a lot of improvements that we have done here in Mercedes-Benz. For real, all our team here is trained to keep looking at a process and try to change it. Try to add your small improvements, be it changing the ergonomics of your work area, maybe small things, but we keep continually improving on it. And this is also a focus point on all our monthly meetings on the floor, in the offices, continuous improvements for real. Team KGC, this is my team here in Mercedes-Benz. I strongly believe the services that are outsourced to us cannot work if we outsource, manpower being our biggest resource, if we outsource them to a further fourth party, fifth party, our goals can never be aligned. We need to speak the same language as Mercedes-Benz. So we need to be aligned with their goal of the best or nothing. So I got a full team, we call ourselves Team KGC in here. They are my people, they are our company people. We train them, we motivate them. 100% compliance as a practice, yes, it's given. You have to be compliant, but we take this very seriously. We do not cut corners. Again, no deviations in the compliance part. The registrations, the regulations. If it is not legal, if we are not allowed to do it, we do not do it. These are some slides, some improvements that I have just put down as I got down writing them yesterday. They became too long, 3-4 slides. I think I've already overshot my time, I think, my allotted time here. So I'll just leave it here, maybe I'll take it at some other time. So, I just conclude by saying that we at KGC, we are your solutions partner. We want to be your next generation solutions partner. We are already started working on it. We are working on the 2015 ISO standards that are coming up. Your next-gen solutions partner, we will continue to integrate functions, we'll continue to add value, yes. Our goals will be aligned with yours. We'll scale with you, we'll scale with all of you. We'll provide sustainable solutions, not solutions that we can't give in the next year. Poof, they gone. I'm sorry, I can't do this for you. I won't do that. And we will be proactive, not reactive. We have already started this training here. We have already training our people. We are already training our people to look at solutions, to look at situations and address them before they start becoming a problem. It's being proactive, we will not be reactive. Because at KGC we truly dwell in possibilities, we think it, we dream it, and we do it. Thank you. Thank you so much.